Hey guys, this is Justin with Dynasty Preppers, and today I just wanted to announce we're going to have a giveaway going on right now. See the description box below for all the details. Thank you to all of our fans and supporters. We hit the 500 subscriber mark because of you guys, and we want to give back to you with a nice little giveaway. So we've got a unique giveaway here. We're working with Jason from Poor Man's Preparing, and he's got some really unique boxes going out right now for quality survival gear. And I've got a second one of the Fire Box. So the Fire Box has a lot of really cool fire stuff. You'll be able to create a lot of fires this summer to practice or to add to your preps. And you've got one of his custom fire kits in here, which is really neat. You got a bag of his Tinder grenades. You've got a big Dragonfire TinderBox. Now see, this is one of his fire kits here. You've got wet fire, you've got matches, you've got a regular striker in there, lifeboat matches, you've got his Tinder grenades. I mean, this is a really cool fire kit. It would be good to add to any bag. And you've got a bunch of other unique things. The military issue fire tinder. You've got a bag of sealed Fatwood that you can add to your bag. So a lot of cool stuff here. I'll put a link to the video we did of the review for the box itself. That should be coming out either now or soon. But I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. So make sure you head down to the description below. We've got a link to the actual giveaway and the details there. Unfortunately, this is only for our US residents and followers. Unfortunately, with all the different complicated rules for international giveaways and shipments, we just can't do that. So if you are based in the US, the link is down in the description below. There's lots of ways to enter, lots of ways to earn points. Please share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And again, thank you guys. We really appreciate it. We hope to have more videos for you in the future. Have a good day.